Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Higgsfield AI for image generation with a step-by-step guide. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to higgsfield.ai. Sign up or log in with your Google or Discord account. Once logged in, you will see the main dashboard. Click on Create or the big plus button to start a new generation. In the prompt box, type a detailed description of the image you want. For example, a beautiful cyberpunk girl standing on a rainy rooftop at night, neon lights, highly detailed cinematic lighting. Choose the model and style if available, then tap on Generate. Higgsfield will create high-quality images in a few seconds. After generation, you can download the images or generate more variations. You can also upload a reference image and tell Higgsfield to create similar images. That's it. This is how you can easily use Higgsfield AI for image generation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.